Hi, I'd like to thank KTRIO for gifting me this memory foam wrist rest for the keyboard and the wrist rest for the mouse. So as you can see, I have this right in front of my keyboard and the same with the mouse, and your wrists just fit comfortably on this so that you can type and keep your wrists resting on the wrist rest. So let me show you a few things about this that I love. First of all, it has memory foam. They both do. I'll just show you one. They're both the same. It has the memory foam, so hopefully you can see. There you go. That's a good view of that. And then it also comes with a non-slip grip on the bottom, so it's not going to slide all around on your desk. It's breathable fabric, and you'll see these little holes also help with keeping the fabric breathable so your wrists don't get sweaty. Some of those, they're like a plastic, and then your wrist gets sweaty and slides, and that will not happen with this. The fabric is breathable. The memory foam is really nice. The non-slip bottom. It's an ergonomic design. Put that back on there for you. And it does come with the plastic on the bottom so that it doesn't gather a lot of dust. And then you just set it right like that and you can use it. Again, here is the wrist rest for the mouse. It's just a really good product, really nice. I highly recommend this. Thank you.